So I don't expect, for example, that even at her best over the 100-meter hurdles, that Tashana Godfrey, a Class 3 girl, a Class 3 champion, will run as fast as 13.2. I mean, there's a reason why we run the races. But 13.2 would be a significant improvement for Godfrey. If she does that, then I think she has a good basis to say, hey, I want to be on the under 18 team as well. But short of that, it's a bit of a debate. Unlike, let's say, the men's 100 meters, when you have a Gary Card coming and running 9.93 on the same track, well, let's get the athletes named.
Yeah, here we go. Regina Bailey of Homewood Technical, Shakira Reid of Penwood, Godfrey of Edwin Allen, Marshall and Belle Wilmers, Price of Alpha Taylor unattached, and Brianna Davidson also running unattached. There are the girls lining up for the final of the 100 hurdles on the 20.
No lane 8. So Brianna Davidson, who was what, second at champs in class 1?
Yeah.
Was Davidson, so she's not there.
Godfrey ran 13.27, the 76.2.
Over the lower heights, over the 30 inch.
Under the 18 height, and that was at the Carifta Games.
So on your screen, if you focus viewers between lanes 3, 4, and 5, we're looking at 3 girls champs, class champions. This may be unique. I'm not sure that we've seen this before at an under 20 championships, where you're going to have the class 1, class 2, and class 3 girls right next to each other, lining up for the 100-meter hurdles. I think it says a lot, though, for Godfrey. That's Tiana Marshall. Oh, no, Akila Bell, all the way out there in lane number 5. Tiana Marshall looking down. Wait, I have to tell you, just from a physical perspective, just looking at them, in lane 3, Tashana Godfrey, you would not guess that she's a class 3 girl in the lineup. You know, she certainly shoulder for shoulder doing extra. Looks like she's deserves to be there.
Here's the full lineup. Lane 1 has Regina Bailey, 5th in the class 1 final at champs. She represents Homewood Technical. Shakira Reid for Penwood finished 4th in the class 1 final. There is Tashana Godfrey, Class 3 champion, Carifta Under 17 champion as well. She starts in lane number 3 for Edwin Allen, as Bruce pointed out, has come down to 13.77. There's Tiana Marshall, the 12.98 sprint hurdler, twice the Carifta Games Under 20 champion. She represents Wilma's 13.47 in qualifying. Outside of Marshall, her teammate Akila Bell, the Champs Class 2 winner, having finished 2nd behind Marshall last year, stepped up to win the gold medal this time around. Unfortunately, couldn't land a Carifta medal. There's Rajana Price, 2nd in the long jump at Champs. 13.77 personal best to get into the final. She's in lane number 6. And closing out the field in lane number 7, Shelley-Ann Taylor, the former Excelsior High athlete, good across the hurdles and the jumps as well.
Yeah, Shelley-Ann Taylor has run 13.51 this year, back in May, New Mexico, so has good quality as well.
There's no Brianna Davidson in the lineup, the 2022 and 2023 Carifta Under 17 champion.
On your marks.
An event that not just Jamaica but St. Jago has dominated in recent years at the Carifta Games.
Expectations here, viewers, listeners, is that Tiana Marshall will go sub-13 again and win. Akila Bell expected to get 2nd, but what does Tashana Godfrey deliver out of lane 3?
Godfrey 3, Marshall 4, Bell 5. Set to be the big 3, but you never know. Off they go. Bell got a brilliant start. Price is running well. Godfrey slightly behind. Marshall starts to come through. Tiana Marshall strikes the front. Battle on for silver. Marshall ahead of Bell and Godfrey. 13.10 the flash time. Tiana Marshall continues her fantastic season. Champs Gold, Carifta Gold, and now she is National Under 20 champion.
Well, Wilma's got the Quinella as predicted, 13.10. I thought Tiana would be a little faster. She thought so as well, if you look at her reactions. But out of the gun, fastest was perhaps Price in lane number 6 and was pressing the Wilmerians all the way. Godfrey, the youngster the bunch, she did not let them get away too far. But Marshall clears hurdle 10. She's there. Akila Bell got the second, and we got the top 3 right doing excellent as Godfrey pulls up for 3rd place in what should be a brand new personal best. Let's wait and see.
Yeah, personal best for the top 4 in this lineup.
13.40 for Godfrey. Good execution, and again, just the inexperience showing they're very high over the hurdles, not snapping off like you saw with Tiana Marshall because of her experience at this level. Unbeaten this season, so great performance from Godfrey, but Tiana Marshall, the pick of the litter.
Positive 1.7 meters per second, the wind speed. Marshall 13.10, Bell 13.33, Godfrey 13.40, Price 13.51, Shakir Reed 13.83, finishing in 5th position.
So just for clarity,